If I say that these are the best chicken quarters or chicken leg pieces that you can make in the air fryer, I won't be wrong, and you have to trust me with this recipe. Look at the chicken, how juicy it is. The first marinade is very simple, just some tomato paste, lemon juice, a few spices and a bit of oil. Mix everything and just coat the chicken leg pieces. Now I always make cuts in my chicken pieces because that helps the marinade to actually go inside the meat. Otherwise everything is gonna stay on top of the meat and nothing will be inside, no flavor, nothing. Then I air fried the chicken leg pieces for about 20 minutes on one side. Then flip them and air fry them for about 10 minutes on the other side. Then melt some butter in a pot, add some garlic paste, fry it for a few seconds, add some black pepper, paprika and dried parsley. Stir fry for a few seconds and add some low-fat cream. Cook it for about a minute or two and that's it. Once the chicken is ready, coat the chicken with the malai sauce that we made all over on both sides. You can air fry it for about a minute more, but the sauce is cooked, so it's great on its own. And enjoy.